Look.
We're almost there.
Get up there. Come on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Saluting.
Welcome to the big toy store, girls. Have fun. You're gonna love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Can I get in here with
Good
you?
morning.
Yeah, I guess.
Good morning. Enjoy our walk.
Made it.
Oh, Mommy, we made it.
I'll tell you what, let's play a little game. Okay, you first. This one or that one? You sure? Positive? 100%? Not gonna switch? Okay, sure. Here, take it, squeeze it as tight as you can for me, alright? That's all yours. Now, this one is mine. Would you please wave your hand over mine? Awesome, thanks. What that does is sends the magic through and helps the ball rejoin its friend because they get very lonely. So if you open up, it should be right in there. Okay, let's try it again one more time.
Now, do you want to see the drone?
Don't worry, it's actually friendly. Here, do you want to make it take off? Yeah, you can press take off right here. This is your takeoff button. Oh, push it hard. Yeah, good job. That's how you get it in the air. And then do you want to do the flip? All right, whenever you're ready, push this button. The one that says stunt. Yeah, that one right there. Woo, that's how you do the barrel roll. Then you accidentally get to mind blown. You guys are having the craziest day
They
ever.
are.
Somebody teleported a sponge ball into your hand. That was
That was pretty cool.
That was.
All right, let me tell you something about FAO Schwarz. I don't care how old you are, you have got to stop in this place. It's absolutely amazing. They have a little something for everyone, adults and kids alike. It's 2 stories. We got to see the Zoltar machine, and the staff is absolutely so much fun. They were so great with the girls. They interacted with them, and we just had the best time. We walked all around. I think the favorite section for the girls was all the Barbie things. They have a Barbie dream house, but there was something about this one in the store that they couldn't take their eyes off of. We really had a good time, and after the Barbie section, we had to go over and play on the big piano from the movie Big. And what's great about it too is where the piano is located, there is a great view of Rockefeller Center and the Rockefeller Center tree during the holidays. We had so much fun in here. Definitely stop by. Even if it's crowded, it's totally worth it. Well, it's snowing.
Yep.
How New Yorkie is this? I love it. We just did FAO Schwarz.
The girls. How did y'all like FAO Schwarz?
Awesome.
Right?
Awesome.
What was your favorite thing?
The magic.
You like the magic?
Yeah.
Awesome.
You like
And
What'd
the
you-
piano.
And you like the piano? Awesome. Good. So, well, we are still down here by the tree. It's actually the Rockefeller tree, is that what it's called?
Yes, the Rockefeller Center tree.
So,
And the crowd is so much better than it was on
yes.
Saturday. Oh my gosh.
yeah, it's much better.
And
So-
today's show's right there.
Yep,
we got
we-
to see Coda and Jenna, and
Yep.
Dylan and Al Roker.
That was awesome.
Fangirling a little
Yep.
bit.
Now we're gonna head to Margaritaville for some lunch, where hopefully it's warmer.
And a margarita. This is our 19th Margaritaville, New York, Times Square. And it's really cool. I didn't think I'd ever be at a Margaritaville when it's snowing, but it's snowing. This is a very cool place, very cool vibe. Love it.
We We spent quite a bit of time at Margaritaville just warming up, having a good lunch, and still blown by the fact that it was snowing at a Margaritaville. We had never seen that before. But after we left Margaritaville, we headed out to Times Square. The girls were just mesmerized by all the lights, all the noise, all the traffic. It was definitely quite an experience. We got to see where the ball was for the ball drop. We really could have spent a lot of time in Times Square just popping in and out of the stores and coffee shops and things like that. But we were on a mission to see the Plaza Hotel and get to Central Park. But along the way, we did make a couple of stops. The main one was the Disney store. The girls really wanted to go into the Disney store, so did we. And it was absolutely a great time. It was really cold, it was really wet, but you know what? It was just kind of part of the atmosphere of New York City.
That one because it's her little sister.
Well, we're at the Plaza Hotel. We want to go inside and see all the pretty Christmas decorations, but they won't let us in. Apparently, it's too crowded right now. So
There it is.
I'm super sad, to be honest.
But even though we can't go in the plaza, we can go in Central Park.
Yes, so we're going to do that.
So we're going to go hit Central Park now.
So we're in Central Park, and we are going to hike back to the hotel.
What?
Everly's almost willing to spend her last $40 for a cab, but we're going to walk it. So, but we have a nice view of Central Park.
Why do you have to laugh? It is a
Okay, y'all, so we're out of footage. And we don't know why, honestly.
Yeah, either we lost some footage, deleted it, or I don't know.
We don't know. But you know what, looking back to the trip, that was our last day in New York, and we had been there for 3 days. We had averaged about 8 miles a day walking with the girls. They were exhausted. We counted crosswalks. That's how we let the girls know how much further we had. And when Everly heard 18 crosswalks to get back to the hotel, she had a meltdown. And we may have just not recorded going back.
Yeah, that's a good possibility too, because we were all so exhausted.
It was. After 3 days of nonstop doing all the touristy things, we were just trying to get back to the hotel, and we grabbed a pizza, I remember.
Yep, we did grab a pizza.
And went back to the room, and
I don't think we did anything else.
that's all we wrote. I mean, that was a really long day. So anyway, we had a great time.
Yes.
We wrapped up our last day. We saw everything pretty much we wanted to see. So
Yep, had a lot of fun.
we had a great time in New York.
So be sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell for notifications. Follow along with us, because next we're headed to Disneyland.
See y'all later.